And finally, she arrives.
Warning! The following video contains dangerous and high levels of cuteness. Side effects may include screaming, emotional damage, replaying the face reveal multiple times, and the uncontrollable urge to buy dolls. Your discretion is advised.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sophisticated DIY. I got my first smart doll, so let's open it. I cannot believe that is actually a smart doll inside this box. After years of seeing smart dolls online, she's finally here. I'm so excited. Even the packaging experience feels premium. This is not just a random box, it's a smart doll box. Danny sure really understands presentation. This is the typical tote bag that he includes, and it says, "Be seen with smart doll." I love it. It looks like an eye exam, be seen. Nice. Okay, I'm going to the table to show you better what is inside. Apparently, customs were just as curious as I was because they opened the package before me, which is funny because Smart Doll is already very transparent with pricing. So I was charged my taxes before they opened that box. Oh well, let's see. First impression is not that heavy as I thought. It's so super big. It's a 60 centimeter doll. Oh wow. Look at that face. The skin tone is beautiful and the makeup stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love the soft inward gaze of the eyes. It gives her this sweet cartoon-like aura that feels incredibly alive. Her body has very nice lines. It comes as well with this card. You can pause to read, and then it has the stand and the wig. And now I get a little bit confused because I'm kind of expecting like a base for the stand. I'm not understanding at first glance that the smart doll stand is like this one. Then I see like the foot of the stand and I say, oh, okay, yeah, now I get it. So this stand will connect to the back of the doll and it's telescopic, so you can more or less choose, depending of the pose, the height of it. I'm gonna put it after. I can't wait to unbox the wig. Oh, mine. I genuinely cannot believe how realistic these braids look. Look at that. Oh, such at a scale, so good. I'm gonna try it on her. People always say that it's a bit difficult to put on the wig, but I don't know if I put so many. Oh my. Look at the texture, the movement, the tiny detail. This wig is incredible. One thing that surprised me immediately is how soft and natural these parts of the body feels. The softer vinyl gives the doll a more lifelike presence, especially for clothes. Okay, the face card truly never declines. I love the balance of this face sculpt. This is a handmade makeup. Look, the freckles, the blush, the wider eye spacing, the longer mouth, the pointed nose, every feature works together beautifully. And I know some people prefer flatter anime-inspired faces, but for me, this is exactly how I imagine anime characters will look like in real life. The engineer on this body is honestly impressive. I don't know, I am civil engineer too, so I don't know if this is why I appreciate that so much, but that double joint in the arm is amazing for posing possibilities. Look at the hands. Even the palms have tiny hand lines sculpted in. And look at that lifeline, so long. She's clearly built to last. The knee bends like a lot. I would say it's a little bit less than a human, but more than a lot of dolls. It's impressive. I love it. The feet articulation is fantastic. You can even remove the feet and you can bend it for high heels. Although if you ask me, I would say that adding one more tiny joint for extreme heel poses will be incredible. But honestly, I don't know how they will balance stability after that. Or maybe another set of feet for high heels. I don't know. She has as well a chest articulation. It is important to mention that you can remove the arms, replacing the chest. You can remove the head. It's so versatile. But you know, with this chest articulation, you can do so many poses. It goes to the sides, it goes to the front, to the back, and it moves in a way that I've never seen in a doll because it kind of curves the spine. It's amazing. I can't wait to make so many poses with her. The legs as well, you can rotate them a little bit, move it forward, backward. Oh. Those poses will be excellent. It will be marvelous. Can't wait to make pictures and play with her. Each individual braid is finished. I think it's cauterized or something. If you want to cut the hair, I was planning to cut the hair because it's not that long. But now I know that I have to go one by one if I want to do it. Now I want to put on some clothes, and I have to confess that at this point I realized maybe I should have bought clothes. But after buying the doll, my budget said absolutely no. Okay, just let me take a look. These jeans maybe, no, too big. This not too tight. Let me try this one. These are a little, no, too big. Let me see this one. Oh, you see, these are nice. I did that for like a skinnier doll. So, okay, we are ready. Let's go with our get ready with me. And I'm gonna start with the black pair of pants. That fits well. And then this is the t-shirt. I did it using Danish shoe pattern, so this one will fit. I really appreciate how practical the engineering is. Removing the hands makes dressing so much easier. Once I finally found pieces that work, she will completely comes into life. I love that cardigan sweater. It's one of my favorites. I know that the boots might look a little too light for the black pants, but I think it will come everything together. The pants comes well with the black hair. I'm gonna stylize it a little bit. I'm gonna use that scarf because it still is a little bit chilly outside. She is having her knitted handbag with a charm, of course. And here she is, finally styled. Honestly, seeing her fully dressed made me emotional. She wants to go outside for a walk and she blends so well in the streets. Now let's take a few pictures of her. This is the moment she stopped feeling like a collectible and started feeling like a character. I can already tell she's going to inspire a lot of future sewing projects. Now I finally understand why people fall in love with the smart dolls. If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like, give us a hype, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!